drift through the air. Time moves slow, but love still there. Under skies of fading hue, I find the light that leads to you. Every step a sweet goodbye echoes softly through the sky. Though the days will turn to snow, your warmth remains, I'll never let go. Through the quiet fields of gold, stories of our hearts unfold. Every whisper, every sound keeps our love still spinning around. Even as the daylight dies, love is written in the sky. In the last light of autumn, I still feel your hand in mine. Through the wind, our laughter lingers, carried softly down the line. In the last light of autumn, we were never far apart. Even as the shadows grow, you still live inside my heart. In the last light of autumn, I still feel your hand in mine. Through the wind, our laughter lingers, carried softly down the line. In the last light of autumn, we were never far apart. Even as the shadows grow, you still live inside my heart. If I close my eyes tonight, I can see your face in light. All the dreams we used to chase still remain in this quiet place. Though the season says goodbye, love like ours will never die. Let the night embrace the day and take our pain away. When the cold winds start to blow, I remember autumn's glow. Through the rain, through drifting time, your memory still feels divine. In every leaf that falls anew, I'll see the world that once was you. Leaves are falling through the sky, softly whispering their goodbyes. Every color tells a tale of moments we will never hide. Your laughter drifts through memory lanes, still echoes through the autumn rain. Even when the days turn cold, your warmth remains, your hand I hold. In the quiet light of the fading sun. I see the days when we were one. The amber light paints all our dreams, flowing through the golden streams. Even if the seasons change, our story stays within the flame. Autumn memory softly calling me through the wind and through the trees. Every sigh and every tear brings your heartbeat close to me. Autumn memory, don't fade away. Stay within my heart to stay, even when the world turns gray. You're the song that never fades. Calling me through the wind and through the trees. Every sigh and every tear brings your heartbeat close to me. Autumn memory, don't fade away. Stay within my heart to stay, even when the world turns gray. You're the song that never fades. Under the fading moon, I see your face in every shadow, in every place. The air is cold, but my soul's still warm, wrapped in the thought of your gentle form. If I could hold this night again, I'd never let it go in vain. Through fallen leaves, I call your name. Love still burns within the flame. And when the morning comes so slow, I watch the sunlight gently glow. Through every breath, through every hue, my autumn memory is you. Stay with me beyond the time, your voice forever in my mind. Like amber we drift, but no, love will never let us go. Golden skies are fading slow. Soft winds whisper where we go. In your eyes the daylight glows. Evening comes but love still flows. Every shadow turns to light when your hand is holding mine. Autumn hums a lullaby, saying love won't say goodbye. Under the evening glow, our hearts begin to slow. Every breath feels like a dream in this autumn's gentle gleam. Under the evening glow, we dance so soft and low. Even when the daylight ends, love will rise again, my friend. Stars awaken one by one. Night begins, but we're still young. If this moment fades away, let it live in songs The moonlight falls on empty streets, a gentle glow where silence meets. Through quiet winds your shadow stays, guiding me through autumn's haze. The world slows down, the stars appear. I feel your heartbeat echo near. Though miles apart, I still can hear your whispered love so crystal clear. Every dream beneath the sky brings your voice to lull me by. Even if the night grows cold, your warmth in me will never die. The silver light upon the ground keeps our hearts forever bound. Under the autumn moon, I'm dreaming next to you. Every light that softly fades carries my heart your way. Under the autumn moon, I'm whispering the truth. Even when the night is through, my love still shines for you. Under the autumn moon, I'm dreaming next to you. Every light that softly fades carries my heart your way. Under the autumn moon, I'm whispering the truth. Even when the night is through. Under the autumn moon, I'm dreaming next to you. Every light that softly fades carries my heart your way. Under the autumn moon, I'm whispering the truth. Even when the night is through, my love still shines for you. Time slows down when you're in my mind. Every tear turns into light. Through the stars I see your face in every quiet, gentle space. If I could hold this night again, I'd never let it go in vain. You're my calm, my sweetest tune, my heart beneath the autumn moon. The night will fade, the dawn will rise, but I will keep you in my skies. Through every dream, through every hue, my autumn moonlight shines for you. On the road where sunlight falls, your smile gently warms my soul. Breezes whisper through the leaves, every moment feels feels like gold. Walking with you down this lane, tiny sparks begin to glow. I just wanna stay forever in the center of all we know. Sweet autumn in your shining eyes, my whole world is painted bright. Holding hands we sing together, love as warm as autumn light. Inside me too. Time stands still with you and me. Smiles that dance so quietly. If I could return again, I would sing this song with thee. Sweet autumn in your gentle arms, even when the days turn gray, I will live inside your fragrance, never letting love decay. Golden leaves drift through the air. Time moves slow, but love's still there. Under skies of fading hue, I find the light that leads to you. Every step a sweet goodbye echoes softly through the sky. Though the days will turn to snow, your warmth remains, I'll never let go. Through the quiet fields of gold, stories of our hearts unfold. Every whisper, every sound keeps our love still spinning around. Even as the daylight dies, love is written in the sky. In the last light of autumn, I still feel your hand in mine. Through the wind, our laughter lingers, carried softly down the line. In the last light of autumn, we were never far apart. Even as the shadows grow, you still live inside my heart. In the last light of autumn, I still feel your hand in mine. Through the wind, our laughter lingers, carried softly down the line. If I close my eyes tonight, I can see your face in light. All the dreams we used to chase still remain in this quiet place. Though the season says goodbye, love like ours will never die. Let the night embrace the day and take our pain away. When the cold winds start to blow, I remember autumn's glow. Through the rain, through drifting time, your memory still feels divine. In every leaf that falls anew, I'll see the world that once was you. Leaves are falling through the sky, softly whispering their goodbyes. Every color tells a tale of moments we will never hide. Your laughter drifts through memory lanes, still echoes through the autumn rain. Even when the days turn cold, your warmth remains, your hand I hold. In the quiet of the fading sun, I see the days when we were one. The amber light paints all our dreams, flowing through the golden streams. Even if the seasons change, our story stays within the flame. Autumn memory softly calling me through the wind and through the trees. Every sigh and every tear brings your heartbeat close to me. Autumn memory, don't fade away. Stay within my heart to stay, even when the world turns gray. You're the song that never fades. Calling me through the wind and through the trees. Every sigh and every tear brings your heartbeat close to me. Autumn memory, don't fade away. Stay within my heart to stay, even when the world turns gray. You're the song that never fades. Under the fading moon, I see your face in every shadow, in every place. The air is cold, but my soul's still warm, wrapped in the thought of your gentle form. If I could hold this night again, I'd never let it go in vain. Through fallen leaves, I call your name. Love still burns within the flame. And when the morning comes so slow, I watch the sunlight gently glow. Through every breath, through every hue, my autumn memory is you. Stay with me voice forever in my mind. Like amber leaves we drift, but no, love will never let us go. Golden skies are fading slow. Soft winds whisper where we go. In your eyes the daylight glows. Evening comes but love still flows. Every shadow turns to light. If this moment fades away, let it live in songs we play. Stay with me through autumn's glow. Love will bloom and never go. On empty streets, a gentle glow where silence meets. Through quiet winds your shadow stays, guiding me through autumn's haze. The world slows down, the stars appear. I feel your heartbeat echo near. Though miles apart, I still can hear your whispered love so crystal clear. Every dream beneath the sky brings your voice to lull me by. Even if the night grows cold, your warmth in me will never die. The silver light upon the ground keeps our hearts forever bound. Under the autumn moon, I'm dreaming next to you. Every light that softly fades carries my heart your way. Under the autumn moon, I'm whispering the truth. Even when the night is through, my love still shines for you. Time slows down when you're in my mind. Every tear turns into light. Through the stars I see your face in every quiet, gentle space. If I could hold this night again, I'd never let it go in vain. You're my calm, my sweetest tune, my heart beneath the autumn moon. The night will fade, the dawn will rise, but I will keep you in my skies. Through every dream, through every hue, my autumn moonlight shines for you. On the road where sunlight falls, your smile gently warms my soul. Breezes whisper through the leaves. Every moment feels like gold. Walking with you down this lane, tiny sparks begin to glow. I just wanna stay forever in the center of all we know. Sweet autumn in your shining eyes, my whole world is painted bright. Holding hands we sing together, love as warm as autumn light. Time stands still with you and me, smiles that dance so quietly. If I could return again, I would sing this song with thee. Sweet autumn in your gentle